scientists, the first thing I'm going to do today is go to my science notebook on the page where I had my observation, and I'm going to write the date, today's date, because I'm going to make my second observation of the sun. I've written the date. Now I'm going to make my observation. It's later in the day than the last time I looked at the sun, so it's a little bit farther overhead. It's not hiding behind the mountains. I can actually see it in the sky. So I wrote that it's bright and it looks like it's above the mountains. Of course, I know that the sun is not actually moving. I know that it's the earth that makes it look like it's moving, but that's my observation. Make sure to make your scientific observation of the sun before we get started on the next part of science. What can you observe about the sun? Imagine a day without the sun. It would be cold and dark. So that makes me think that we get light and we get heat from the sun. The sun would not light the sky. It would not shine overhead. Without the sun, how could you even tell day from night? The sun affects Earth in many ways. Light and warmth. The sun's light warms Earth's land, air, and water. Without the sun, it would be too cold for humans, plants, and animals to live on the Earth. Sunlight warms the ocean. The sun's light brightens the sky. When you play outside, sometimes the sun is so bright that you shade your eyes. You might want to go in the shade. The sun's light shines on this playground. So these pages teach me that I could not survive, neither could all of these creatures, without the light and the warmth from the sun. Too much sun. Too much sun can give you a sunburn. Sunscreen helps protect you. Hats help too. They can help keep the sun off your face and neck. Beach umbrella, hat. Hats and beach umbrellas help protect people from too much sun. The sun can harm your eyes. Some sunglasses can help protect your eyes from bright sunlight, but you should never look directly at the sun, which is why when we make our sun observations, we make sure not to look directly at the sun. We just look around it. Sunglasses make it easier to see on a sunny day. Day and night. Day and night happen every 24 hours. The sky changes color during this time. During the day, the sky may look blue or gray. It may be bright with sunlight or darker with clouds. As day changes to night, the sun looks low in the sky. As the sun seems to set, part of the sky may look orange. Then the sky gets darker. At night, the sky is usually dark. And remember, it's not because the sun has gone away. It's because the earth, the part of the earth that you're on, is now facing away from the sun. So even though the sun seems to move like we learned yesterday, it's just the earth that's turning. So scientists, we learned all about how the sun gives us light and heat, and we couldn't survive without it. We meaning humans and other animals and plants. So today you're going to draw some pictures to show what you've learned about the sun and what our sky looks like during the day and at night and how it might be different. When you're done, you're going to cut this box out and you're going to glue it in your science notebook. Make sure you don't skip any pages and you make sure to write page numbers on your sheet. I'll show you mine when I'm done. So notice how when I was done, I cut it out nice and neat and made sure to write the page number underneath so that I know the order of my work. Do your best work, scientists.